For our second example, we are not being given two ordered pairs. We're being asked to find the rate of change for the given linear function. Linear just means if we were to graph these points, it would give us a straight line. Now, while we aren't being given 2 points directly, we are being given 4 points on the table, 0, 0, 10, 120, 20, 240, and 30, 360. To do this problem, just pick 2 points. Does not matter which two, pick any two. Since it is a linear function, every 2 points will have the same slope because remember, we're measuring the steepness of the line. If it is in fact a line, which are all straight, then the slope will always be the same no matter what 2 points you pick. So I'll pick 2 ordered pair. I'll pick 10, 120 and 20, 240. I will start this problem the same way we start all problems that have a formula. I will write the formula. Slope is equal to delta y over delta x, or the change in the y value over the change in the x value. When I write my 2 ordered pair, I like to write them next to each other when doing the actual work. Slope is equal, and I have to find the change in the y value. My y values are 120 and 240. I'm allowed to subtract them in any order that I want. I'm going to choose to do 240 minus 120 because that will give me a positive number. But if I choose to do my y values from right to left, then the x values must be done the same way. I must do 20 minus 10, 20 minus 10. I have a choice in how I subtract the y's. The x's must subtract the same way. Next, I will simplify. 240 minus 120 is 120. 20 minus 10 is 10. Now, because there are labels in the table, I must put the labels in. The y values are always the second part of your table, and that is in miles. So it's 120 miles. The x values are on the left of the table, see where it says x, and they are hours. So the 10 is hours. And when we divide 120 divided by 10, the rate of change is 12. The labels, miles over hours, is miles per hour. So the way that you find rate of change is done the same way you find slope. The only difference is you have to make sure you have the labels in when doing the problem.